Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your Motorola Moto G9 Plus, for the first, let's go for our calendar. Click right here, tap on the we got it, click on this marker and select event. Right now we can add the title, and we can set up here also other things. For example, we can add some people, we can change the location, wherever you want you can set up here. And after that you have to click on the right upper corner on the save button, and as you can see here we got our event. So that's how we can add the event to the calendar and the smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.